I hope this information has resonated with you and that you have found value in this video clip. Keep in mind that this is part of my Elite Hunter Strategy Group that we go over every single week. And this was last week's episode. And now you get to see what's in the Elite Hunter Strategy Group. In the Elite Hunter Strategy Group, we have a group of people that come in once a week and they ask me questions live. Well, I go over a list of topics that needs to be talked about and addressed. In the live presentation, which is an hour long, once a week, I will answer your questions about what you most desperately need to know, and as well as going over a checklist of topics and of rules and regulations and how to hunt. If this resonates with you and you want to be a part of this group, you can click the link down below or over in the comment section. I know exactly how to do this, and I want to teach you all to do it and bypass the traditional systems of transporters and air taxi services. The link is down below in my bio, and it's also in the comment section.
It's pretty good. I'm excited. I seen a big bull in the valley. Man, a bear's been through camp today.